Here's how to install Google Play Store on your PC in the simplest way. Go to your browser and search for Google Play Store. Once you're on the site, head to the top right corner and click the three dots, then look for the Cast, Save, and Share. From there, select Install Page as Application. And there you go. It's now installed on your PC. Drop a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.